Welcome back to the channel, and today I thought I'd give you a little guide really on eating in Thailand out on the streets. After all, the street food is one of the reasons people come to Thailand. Street food is really nice. So if you're coming out this way for the first time or you've been here before, this is my 7 tips of what to look for when you're out here in Thailand and you've got the street food markets and you've got the street food vendors walking around. So let's have a little wander up here. I know that more and more now there's markets opening up with the food markets rather than the mobile barras, but there will be barras around. So let's have a little walk up and we can see what we can find, and I'll give you some tips. I mean, tip number 1 is have a walk around. Use your senses, use your eyes, use your smell. If it looks right and if it smells right, it normally is right. Don't forget, they cook this, a lot of these barras and food vendors cook the food in front of you, so it's all fresh. Some people don't like the thought of buying food off the street vendors, but let's have a wander up and have a look and have a smell and see what's on offer.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart rate.
Here's the first one. Now these are like a lychee sort of fruit. They're everywhere. There you go, you've got banana leaves and rice in there. You've got their delicacy, rice and coconut milk. Have a little walk up here. I know there's some vendors, and then there's the market, the food market further up. And this is what I'm saying, just have a look up. There's no rush. This one's doing crepes, different fillings, bananas, all sweets, sweet savoury crepe. And this one is pork sausages. Now you will find these pork sausages everywhere. They're quite nice. They can be very spicy. They're served with cabbage, white cabbage and ginger, and they're cooked on the barbecue out here. If the barra looks clean, like this one, you know, it's all stainless steel, it's clean, it's a good indicator of the quality of the food. This one's all seafood. Well, no, it's not. The seafood's there. You've got the prawns and you've got the cockles, and this one you've got crabs, prawns, crab sticks and meat. Now don't forget, you know, it's quite warm out here. If the fish like this is not on ice, you'll be getting yourself into trouble if you want to buy that. At the back there is durian, the king of fruits. Very smelly, it's not allowed in a lot of places. A lot of hotels won't allow durian in the place because it smells, but it tastes okay, it's really nice. Just before we get into the market, the food market, you've got this shop here which is fruit and veg. You've got all your bananas there, you've got tamarind and melons. There's dragon fruits, oranges, mangoes. There's all a variety of fruit here. These are called phalang. They're apples, like a coarse apple, like the apples at the back there is the red apples that we're traditionally familiar with, but they're phalang apples. And of course, in Thailand, they eat a lot of green stuff, leaves and basil and Chinese leaves, garlic, and people will sort through them, find the best ones. Now, one of the things that you probably won't be familiar with, but it tastes very nice, is these things here. Now, these things here are banana flowers, and they're quite nice. It's a quiet taste, but they are good. Now, this is what you've got to be not worry about, you've got to be wary of, or is that, you know, food like this that's been out in this heat, bearing in mind, you know, with the humidity is up, it's quite warm tonight, it's about 5-6 o'clock at night, it's quite warm, and this stuff has been cooked earlier on, and it's been out for a couple of hours. So, you know, trust your instincts. We're walking to the market. This market is a relatively new market, and you can buy your food there to take away, or you can eat it here. So let's have a look, see what's on offer. What you want to be looking for is some of these stalls. They've got short menus. Like this one's just got like the fish there, all cut up, and this has got a short menu on it. Oh, half a dozen fish dishes. That after all, if they've got a short menu, they know exactly what's how to cook it. They've probably been cooking it for many years, and it's all on ice, which is a good indicator that they're keeping it fresh. Have a look around when you're over here. See what the preparation areas are like. Do they keep it clean? It's common sense, really. You got the fish here. You got this is salt baked fish and barbecue fish. Over here you got the chicken. Now the chicken's got to be cooked fresh every day, so I wouldn't worry. And this is the barbecue stall. It's got chicken, pork, chicken hearts there as well, which is always very good. I wouldn't suggest in being too experimental. Go with what you know at the beginning. This you've got salted dried fish here. This is more of an Isan stall. Now, Isan food is from the north of Thailand, and you know, some of this stuff I wouldn't touch. It's an acquired taste for up Isan, North Thailand. It's boiled or stewed leaves there. You've got broccoli, you've got cauliflower, cabbage, sweet corn, and it goes with those pastes over there. So this, I know for a fact, this market they cook regularly here. It's not generally left out. It's put away every night. Over here is again pork. A lot of pork's eaten in Thailand. And here you've got offal. This is all pig's offal in there. So you don't really want to be experimenting with that too early. Now what they do, they put their food in these little plastic bags, and it's all takeaway. They cook it and they give it to you in these plastic bags, you take it away. And this one here, these are what they call dancing shrimps. Now these shrimps, they will be put into a saucepan, mixed with some spices, and given to you in a bag. Now they will still be alive, and a lot of people eat these straight away, and that's why they call them dancing shrimps, because they move in your mouth after you put them in there, and you can feel them moving along. It is something to be experimental on. They're quite nice. And again, more Isan food here. Dry fish, and the banana leaves over the back there with rice in them. Over this side, you've got crabs, squid, shrimps, all on ice, so it's got to be kept cool. Now this one, I know for a fact that this stall, they cook fresh every day. And let's have a look here. This is oat. You've got all different meats here and curries. This is coconut curries. You've got chicken curry there, beef curry. You've got bamboo curry over the back there. And then when you eat this, you will have it with your spices. Yeah. That bowl there is chili, garlic and fish sauce and eggs. The Thais eat a lot of eggs. We work far in Thailand. These are the grubs you've got there. And there's some grubs on that one. And crickets. You don't need to screw your nose up at those grubs. If you try them, they don't taste of a great deal. They're very high in protein and a lot of people enjoy them. They eat them here in the bars as we eat in the West peanuts in the bar. Also, more chicken, pork. Now these are the sausages, spicy sausages, and you've got pig's ears there as well. So this is predominantly all pork bits here. So it's quite good. Chicken and spare ribs. He's going to back into me. And these are all your different types of sausages that you'll get here. There's spicy ones, there's Frankfurt style. The balls on the skewers, they're pork balls or chicken balls. All different types of meat. This stall only does spring rolls, so you can't go too much wrong with that. And they make their own spring rolls. There's the fillings. This is pork. Now you get this stewed pork, knuckle of pork. It is really nice. It's stewed for a long time, many hours, and very tender. One of the things, if you're a newbie here coming in Thailand and you're eating, is don't get too experimental too quick. Eat what you're comfortable with. By all means experiment, but don't jump into the weird and wonderful delights that are on offer. May give you an upset stomach. Some may be a bit too strong. After all, Thailand, when you think of Thai food in the West, you're thinking of pad Thai noodles. Yes, they're here, but I wouldn't say it's the staple. The staple is pad kapao. I would say everyone is used to eating pad kapao. It's minced pork, chicken with holy basil, lots of spice, and it's really nice. You get used to that. You say, like, you've got fresh coconuts there. You get the fresh coconut milk out there. Trying to smarten it up for the tourists, and each one of these little booths along here specialise in different foods. This one with chicken and rice, and you can, let's say, look around, have a peek behind and see what their preparation area is like. Is it all clean? Is it laid out so they can work efficiently? That one there does noodles. A lot of it is chicken noodle, braised chicken noodle, chicken soup. So it's a variation on the theme. So it's a very short menu, really. 3, 6, 9, 12, 16 dishes, but 15 of them are all noodle soups with different bits added. So, you know, it's quite specialised. This one's got somtam, a lot of papaya salad for this one. We say papaya salad is a staple out here, and you can get it with salted eggs or with scallops here. Crab, blue crab, fermented fish. So again, it's what these people they specialise in. This one's got lots of seafood in. Again, seafood and and soup, noodle soups. Pad Thai. There's your Pad Thai one with noodles. Pad Thai basically just means noodles. So you got Pad Thai there with shrimp, with eggs, with chicken. So it's all a variation on the theme, and everyone likes that Pad Thai. That's what everyone's familiar with.
Okay,
So you can look behind, let's say, even got a pizza place here, look, and your desserts afterwards, yogurts. So the cleanliness and health issues are being addressed all the time in Thailand. So these street food vendors are getting better at their art. They're not cooking stuff as we imagine in the back of a cart. That still goes on. It's still happening. It's still delicious. But I would experiment, try, but don't jump in too quickly. I'm gonna have a walk around and see what I think I know what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have a pad kapal gai, which is minced chicken with basil, with rice, and a khao dai, which is a fried egg. Have a couple of fried eggs, and I'm sure it's going to be delicious here. So that is my top tips for eating out in Thailand when you come here. And just running through the tips, don't forget, look around, see what you want to, have a look around, see what you want to eat. There may be things that you haven't tried and you may want to try. So just be comfortable with what you eat if you're a newbie here. Use your senses, use your sight and your smell. Normally it's a good indicator. I've been here over 2 years now, and I haven't had an upset stomach. The open dishes that are out on display. Don't be too experimental straight off. Go with what you know, go with what you like, and then ease your way in. Thai food is very spicy, and some people, it takes time to get used to that spice. And if you're a newbie coming out here to Thailand, do a little bit of research what you like. Pad Thai is not, there's chicken feet, there's scallops, there's sausages, there's barbecues, there's the grubs. Try it. Well, you know, you never know, you may like it. And always save a little bit of room for your dessert. Thais do like their sweet stuff, normally sticky rice and coconut milk, and it's really nice. Have a look around. When you're looking around, keep your eyes open. Where are the locals sitting? Locals sitting around a stall. You can bet your life it's going to be really nice. So look, you say the locals will be sitting down eating. This is a takeaway, look. Got some rice and chicken there.